Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Production 2022 here. Today, I'm going to show off my Lego lever action rifle. With almost all my Lego guns, it took me one day, or like just a couple hours, to build this. This is a fictional gun design that I made. And yeah, the only part that's working on this gun is the lever. Anything else on this gun is non-functional. You can aim down the sights, which I'm not sure how well you guys can see, but you can aim down the sights. Just give me a second. And this gun is a very fragile design, as you can kind of hear with the Lego pieces and kind of see what's going on. But I'll try to give you kind of a good look on this. As you see it right there, fragile design. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but you can aim down the sights. That's with all the Lego guns that I build, actually. So yeah, this is it. This is my Lego lever action rifle, completely made out of Lego. Yeah, this is all my Lego guns are inspired by a different username. Thanks to him. Wondering how many rounds in real life this gun will be holding? 4 plus 1, 4 in the mag tube, plus 1 in the chamber. Total 5 shots. And the weight on this gun is it's extremely light. So yeah. At some point I should make a gun that's heavier at some point. Or if I ever will. I don't know if I can. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and this fragile Lego gun. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Suggest the next video which I will be posting is some of my Nerf guns that I have down here. And some of them firing.